Yeah, Wendy said she wanted to take this to prom right here.
Imagine me pulling up in this.
That's super clean. A Mercury? What is this, like a purple? It's like a purple, right?
Yeah. Like a maroon.
I don't know why, but I always thought these wheels were so sick. With the white around it. Super clean. How much do you think it weighs?
I don't know. Let me go get my scale.
Yeah, the interior. It's just amazing.
The movie theater seats in there.
She said the movie theater seats. This is.
So the way I'm gonna take this and cruise it along the East Coast.
This might be the sickest car here. Look how big that is. Super clean. They don't know it, but this is the actual car. I'm just kidding. Super, super clean. Maybe on some airbag, some suspension, lower it a little bit more. Can't beat it. Oh, look at this. Super clean. What? If I was rich, I'd buy this whole lot. El Camino, you don't see these often, especially not hooked up.
He likes to commemorate his birth. This is his first pair of shoes that he's ever owned.
I know you're not roasting, bro. Can't take Wendy nowhere. She won't get it shut down. Just even like the basic wheels still look clean, especially with this color. What do you call that color? Kind of looks like a plum, yeah. Super clean. Here's Ford. What is it? Wood green? Damn. Actually looks insane. Whatever it's coils or air. There's like a brown interior. Stick shift. Look how shiny the dash is. Hmm?
She's white.
She's white? Nah, she is actually. That's cool. That's funny.
I really like the Ford Mustang.
They kidnapped him. Damn. Definitely clean. Something you can just cruise around in. But still has a little bit of power, I guess. This one's cool. Look at the original sticker. $3,000. I'd sell a limb to buy this. You going half with me or what?
That's funny.
You only need 9.
Maybe if it still cost the 3,777.
You only need 9 fingers. Just sell a couple fingers. Super clean. Another Camaro SS. Excuse me.
Well, I really didn't want to go on the sideline.
Impala. Wonder how much horsepower this has. Look at the Fitment. Damn. That's crazy.
Oh yeah, maybe Dan. I believe he's here. I don't know if he does stuff like this.
See, if I was like a mob boss back in the day, I'd whip one of these. Why are you laughing?
I wouldn't be able to take you seriously.
Yeah, all right, until I rob you. Oh. Look how small and compact this is, but yet looks so comfortable. Like how, bro? Look at the little doors. That's actually pretty sick. Damn. Yeah, this one is clean. I like the color. Corvette.
This is nice.
Damn. A full-on carpet in the back. Another SS. These are sick. Crazy. Chevrolet SS. Wonder what year. Miata. I see you driving one of these, little Miata.
Oh my god, yes. They're so cute.
Dang, a Mazda with a Corvette. Nah, this got to be the sleeper out of this whole meet. That's crazy. Look how tight that is inside. Dang, you really squeezed it in there. Grand National.
He's just
Delicious for the midgets.
what is this? A center for ants?
Ooh. One tire?
Bro, this is the one that you ever watch this
Yeah.
video? The car he always knocks over.
Bro.
It's this one.
That's something you could take to the beach. You got a little trunk, put the surfboard on top. Is that a Beamer? It's insane. That's a Beamer too. What is this? Midget. It's called a midget. That's insane. That's something you see in Australia.
The spiders are the ones driving.
You, Jet Li, Joseph, all in the back. Bro, I wonder what kind of stories cars like this can tell. That's sick. Take that off-roading.
That punch buggy will make it extreme.
Damn. It's a bright ass color. Yeah. But before they had the tanks, they had that.
The prototype.
Yeah. Loki looks armored. It's a Volkswagen?
Volkswagen Thing.
Thing? That's what it's called?
Volkswagen Thing.
Thing. Y'all couldn't create another name.
They just on the fly.
Thing. I always thought these were cool.
You too.
I'm gonna make something like this with all my Hot Wheels. Nice little piece of art. Dang. Damn. You see all the different ages of the toy cars. See, this one my dad had to play with back in the day. See, thank God I don't have that. I got actual Hot Wheels. Bro. That's cool. I need that for my collection. Um. Oh wait, Bugatti. Actually insane. What if he bought this to put in the museum? Or it was like donated, like it doesn't work kind of thing? So it was donated? Damn. Oh, okay, don't mind if I do. Damn. Nice toy collection. That's it. Yeah, I got that at home. Damn. Super clean. 94. This car is as old as I am. It's crazy. Tinted windows. That's sick. Damn. Guys, look at this Datsun. Of course, manual, king cab. These are cool. I like the orange. I'm not really big on bright colors, but it's pretty sick. 78. Pick up 5-speed. Okay. Damn. Oh my god. Oh my god. Super clean. Damn. What is this? A 72 Toyota Helix pickup. Okay. These are also pretty cool. Mint condition, of course. Look at that. That's sick. You fit the whole family and 3 dogs if you wanted to. Damn. Something you see in Australia. For sure, for sure. Toyota. Oh my god. NSX. Next to an S2000. Super clean. Dream garage right here. Dream garage. Now, Ferrari. Imagine being so rich you just have a museum of your favorite cars. Like, bro. Like, how does he not to get the itch to like want to take these out and drive? That's what I'm saying. Do they not work? Like, this is a 2022. 720S McLaren. Purple. That's a nice color. I like purple. Damn. So they can move them from time to time? Damn. That's a big body. Got matte black. My God, bro. This don't give you motivation. I don't know what does. Calipers, bro. Super clean. Which one? The green or the black?
The black.
The black?
Yeah.
That green looks pretty cool though.
Yeah.
Oh, they got a Lamborghini tractor? 2012. That's a 1962 tractor. It's impressive.
That should be my dad's land. Look at that.
Dang, dude. That's a cool color. I don't really like green, but I like that. Dream car right here. Yeah. Sick. Well, man, that's gonna be it for this video. Shout out to the homie for taking me. That was my very first ever car museum slash muscle car show. So I thought that was really cool. I just wanted to insert all that in one video since it was just my first time going to both. I'll be posting another video of my very first exotic car show. Stay tuned for that. But I'm trying to stay consistent. I know in the videos I was saying damn a lot. I'm just shy, bro. I'm really just shy, which is crazy because I'm not really the shy person when it comes to certain things. But yeah, I really appreciate it, man. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Do whatever you gotta do. I really do appreciate the support, man. If you support me, I really appreciate that. Now I gotta get the hell out of the sun. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.